Hey everyone! In this video we're going to show you how to add and customize both your Simplebooklet title and organization in the info section of your Navbar. These two elements play a key role in the awareness stage of the reader's journey, helping your audience immediately understand what your content is about and who's behind it. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to scroll to the booklet that we want to edit. Once we've selected our booklet, we're going to click on the Design tab to access the design tools. From here, we're going to head over to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Info button. As you can see, a live preview drawer will automatically open from the right side of the section, showing how the title and organization will appear to your viewers when they click on the Info section in the Navbar. So you can see here, I already have mine set up, but this is what it will look like. I got my title here and then my organization name. And so to set this up, we're going to toggle on the Simplebooklet title option. So as you can see, it will automatically update depending on what changes I'm making on this side here. And then to edit it, we're going to click on this pencil icon. So here you can add the title of your Simplebooklet, and then there's an option here to add your organization. And then you also have the option to autofill from account settings. So if you want to autofill the title from your account settings, just toggle on that option and you'll be able to use it. And then when you're good with the title that you've entered, you're just going to click on the Done button. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the organization. Just like that. Then once you're happy with the Simplebooklet title and organization, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your title and organization is now added to the info section of your Navbar. This makes it easier for your audience to immediately understand what your booklet is about and who's behind it, helping build trust and engagement. Adding both of these to your Navbar plays a crucial role in the awareness stage of the reader's journey. The title helps your readers immediately understand what your booklet is about, while the organization name establishes trust and credibility, showing them who is behind the content. Together, these elements make it easier for your audience to engage with your booklet and explore further, knowing exactly what to expect and who they're learning from. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.